Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use DocuSign to send documents for signature. So this is the complete process and I'm going to be showing you step by step. So let's just jump right in. First, on the landing page or your dashboard, once you simply sign into the account, you get this kind of dashboard. Now before you begin, I'm going to be forcing you to click the link in the description below to get 30 days free trial onto the platform to unlock the best features online. So let's just begin. Here you can see we have multiple different options. What we can do is to simply get our document signed. You can either choose to start with a template or send an envelope. You can see we have the start option and we can choose template. So let's just click on create an envelope template, or basically sending an envelope is also a good option to start with. You can add in here the name of the recipient and a message with a DocuSign. Now the important thing is on top that you're going to be simply uploading the document in here. So choose any document from your storage that you want to simply get signed. Click on open, just wait for a couple of seconds, and we got a document ready and we can easily now send this. So you can see we have everything ready to go, and now all we need to do is click on this sign option. So once you do this, it will be sent automatically and the document will be get signatured. So this is the process, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description below to get 30 days free trial and more features that you can get onto the platform. So really easy. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.